Hello, ID60. I just wanted to give you a quick formatting tutorial for your project number 2. I'm choosing to do this in PowerPoint just because to me it's pretty simple and explanatory, and I know a lot of you have already used PowerPoint. So I set up a template for you that will make it easier. If there's another program that you want to use and you're going to get it in about the same format, that is completely fine if it's easier for you. But what I would try to do is keep it really simple. The images should be what shines more than the background or anything else. But this is a design class, so if you want to do something that is more creative, you can. You will probably get critiqued on it. And if you want to do something that's just straightforward and follow my template exactly, that's fine too. If you do extra, it's not extra credit. But I know some of you are going to want to go over and above, and that is completely fine as long as it stays legible and within the project format. Okay, so this is the template that I gave you. It is a working PowerPoint document, so hopefully you've gotten that far. You are going to be researching and looking up images for 10 of our design elements. So I've given you 5 boxes across, and each box is about 3 by 3. So you are going to look up a design element and you are going to save them on your computer, either on the desktop or you have a file folder. And so once you're in the PowerPoint, you're going to open this document, you're going to select Insert, and you're going to go insert a picture from this device. So I'm just going to choose this random picture. It's not necessarily part of this assignment. And notice that it came in really big. That is how most of your images will come in. So how you are going to scale it is you're going to grab a corner, and it's safe. You want to hit the Shift button, and that locks the aspect ratio, meaning that it's not stretching it or distorting it. If you grab it by one side and pull, or you grab it by the other side and pull, it stretches it. So make sure if you do that, you hit undo to get it back right where you want it to be. So make sure that you're grabbing a corner and you're pulling it. And if you want to be extra safe, you hit Shift, and that'll make sure that it stays in the same proportion. So what I'm going to do is take this image. It's my first element, and I'm going to take it over to the box and match the corners. And then I'm going to scale it until it's the same height. So if your picture is landscape, you'll reach the height first. If your picture is portrait, you'll meet the width first. Either way is fine. But notice that the picture is too big for my box. Bummer. So I'm going to have to figure out how to crop it and still have my element show in that picture. So I'm going to click on my picture, and you'll notice once the picture is clicked on, a red tab will highlight picture format. So you're going to click on that up at the top here, and then you're going to go over to crop, and you're going to select the crop icon, and you'll notice that these black corners have shown up. So again, if we grab the corner, it's going to scale the crop. So we can't do that. This time we have to grab an edge. So I'm going to grab the edge, and it's go right over to where the edge of my gray box is. Did I not go far enough? Let's try again. Crop. There it is. So you can kind of see the gray behind. So I'm going over to my gray box. And let's say I've cropped the most important part out of my image. So you can click on this image again, go back to crop, and see it'll show the whole image and highlight what you're leaving behind. So if you want to shift that over to make maybe my lady being right in the center is important, I can shift that over and then click outside the box, and now it's cropped exactly how I want it. Then you're going to go down here, you're going to add any comments that explain to me why or how you're seeing that element in that image. And then you just repeat that 9 more times. Okay. Once you get down here, you can add your first and last name. And then I think you're done. Have I forgotten anything? I don't think so. So what I've been told by campus is that everybody should have access to Adobe. So if you do, and you should, in order to save this, you don't want to upload a PowerPoint into Concept Board or into Canvas. You want to upload a PDF. So what you're going to do is go here and you can do save as PDF, or you can go save as, even print a PDF. So we'll see. Sometimes this works for me, sometimes it doesn't. So it says first I have to save the document. So yes, I'll save the document. And then it says, where do you want to save it? And I'll say, this is review video 2, save, and then it should have given me a PDF. So let me go and make sure it's there. And that might have been it, but it's hard for me to tell because I have so many screens open. So I'm going to go to my ID60. I'm going to go to lectures. And there's my PDF. So this, actually, I don't really like that. Let's try it again because I only really want the page, right? It may be because I'm recording, but you should be able to just PDF the page. So let's try again. How about file, print? And I'm printing an Adobe PDF. And then print. Then I'm going to put it in the same. I'm going to make this one number 3. See if it's working. It still gives me the whole screen. So you should be able to do it where it's, oh, and then it jacked it up. So again, you kind of have to play with which way you're going to PDF it. But you should be able to get a PDF just of the page. I don't want to have to do this again, but let's see if we do save as. I'm going to do save it as a PDF. Can I save it as a JPEG? I could try saving it as a JPEG and go save. Oh, here we go. This is the one I wanted to see. So which slide do you want to export? Just this one. Oh, let's see what's going to happen. Hmm. Hmm. There it is. That looks better. So let's try saving it as a JPEG. So you're just getting the page. Okay. And then I will make another video of how to upload that JPEG, or if you were successful in PDF, how to upload that to Concept Board. Okay. Have fun.